touch the fingerprint sensor. To open the door, press OO, touch screen panel. Touching Run will start all watches. Start winding the watch using the previously set TPD mode in sequence. The accessories are usually placed next to the winder or inside the drawer. First touch LED button activates the LED light. Second touch activates the UVC light. Third touch turns on both lights. Fourth touch turns off both lights. Input your code, press the hash to confirm. Install the Your Watch. Choose the light mode you prefer. For 12-watch winder safe item, come with the empty space instead of a drawer due to space constraints.